Alright, I just got done restoring the PFAFF130. I'm going to try it out. I'm going to clean up the sedge here. Give it a little testaroonie. I already tested it out on this thing. Worked pretty good. I'll show it to you. Do like a single roll, maybe like a 1/2 inch. Needles on the left side. Then I'll do like a zigzag and see how that works. Since I haven't tried that one yet. Okay, put that guy in the middle, put her on zigzag, flip her around with the needle still in it. Actually, I'm going to reposition that needle. Cool. Now that thing won't fray anymore. At least not right there.